So this video is going to be about creating new pages and how you navigate between them, okay, by creating buttons and other navigation tools. So I have my Google site. I am going to insert the 4-button layer, okay. Now the reason why I'm doing that is because I'm actually creating this site for you guys to use, so you can see how I created it and then go to it to find these little videos. So I'm going to turn each of these into buttons that navigate to different pages. All right, so I'm going to leave that there for now. I'm going to change the background because I like it to be on emphasis 1. Make it look a little bit neater. Okay, so to add a page, we simply go to pages. We can see we already have our home one, and this is designated home automatically. All we have to do is click this plus icon, new page. Name it what you want to call it. So this is going to be the title of your page. So my first page is going to be the first video I created, which was creating a Google site. Okay, so that creates you automatically a page. All right. Now I'm going to go back to my home because I want to put a button there to navigate to this particular page. All right. So this is how I'm going to create a button. Go back to insert. Now you can just put in a button if you like, but they're quite basic. I like it to look a bit better. So we're going to create a button here. So I'm going to call it whatever the page is called. I'll make that slightly bigger into a subheading. And then I'm going to put an image here. By clicking this, select image. I want the Google site logo. There it is. Insert. Okay. Now, to make this a button that navigates to a page, all you simply have to do is press this button. If you come off of this, you have to press it twice. When you press it once, it just gives you the option to move it around and bin it and what have you. But if you press it a second time, then this link button comes up. So I press that. Google's very clever. It tells me what other pages I have. So say, for example, if I had 20 other pages, you'd see a list here now. I pick the one I want. Press that and apply. Okay. You can also do this with the text down here. But if you're going to do that, then don't bother writing anything. You just press the link button, pick your page, and then Google will fill it in for you. Okay. Now, if we want to test that this works, all we have to do, go to the preview. And then we'd press this button, and there you go. It's taking me to the next page. Okay, so there are other ways that students can navigate. You remember this bar up here, they'll be able to press it and then go to this page, which is now added. I'm going to put this back up the top because I prefer this to be at the top. It looks better, I believe, but it is personal preference. And I'm going to make it white as well. Okay, let's close this. All right, so now if we go back to preview, the student has the option. They can, we're in the second page now, so we can go back to home by pressing this up here. And again, here's my button that takes me back. Okay, that's how you create a new page and navigate to it. You can create sub-pages as well. It's not necessary to do this. You can just have a big old list of pages. But if you wanted to create a sub-page, so a page within a page, you would just click these 3 dots and then go to add a sub-page. So we'll call that second video for now. And then as you can see, that's put that within that page. Some people like to do this because it makes the view here look better, but it's really not necessary. If you want to delete a page, you just go from here. You can hide it from navigation as well. And you can select which one you want to be your home page. So if I wanted this to be my home page for whatever reason, then you can set as home page, and that will be the one that comes up first when the students come to this. You can also duplicate a page. So if you want 2 pages that are basically the same, you're only going to change a couple of things, you want to keep the same style or what have you, press duplicate, name it whatever it is you're going to name it. It doesn't have to be this, you can put whatever. And then it will create a page that looks exactly the same. Okay, so that's how to create a page and how to create a button to navigate to those pages.